friends, Abner's here again. We are gonna read Don't Push the Button. Let's say good night. Hi, we're here. It's time for bed, but I am not sleepy. I say we push the button instead. Yawn. Oh no, pushing the button made me super sleepy. Will you help me get ready for bed? Okay, let's take a deep breath in and out. Bedtime, can you pop the bubbles? Can you help me pick out some PJs? Crack! My shirt's stuck on my horns. Can you help pull it down? Thank you. Now we brush our teeth. Can you show me how you brush? Wow, you are a super good brusher. Now we pick a stuffy animal. I am choosing my special bear. Tap who you want to pick. Time to read a story. Hey, you are already doing that. You don't take I am going to bed without a hug, do you? Can you turn the light off? Last thing. Thank you for helping me with bedtime. I am so cozy. Sweet dreams. What? It's time to get ready for bed, but whatever you do, don't push the button. Like, share, subscribe, have fun. I'm gonna sing music tomorrow.